Hi, I'm Johnny Kaplan. I'm here today with another Gadget Flow unboxing segment in partnership with the Corey Group. So today's amazing new product that they've got me to review are these V-TEX waterproof all-season footwear. Now they feature nanotechnology. That's the technology that allows you to breathe or water resistance. So actually if you were to drip water or to run into a puddle or to spill a drink or even to step out into the rain, your feet are going to be fully safeguarded against the wet and the moisture. So very exciting, this nanotechnology, and allow you to be all seasons with the same footwear, with the same fabric, the same clothing. So we're going to get stuck in and we're going to open the box and see how these footwear look and feel. All right, so here you have it. So these are the V-TEX waterproof and breathable shoes featuring nanotechnology. So they look very similar to a normal pair of sneakers. As you can see, you know, quite a nice design, quite simplistic, which is good. Don't want to be over elaborate so that they suit everybody. And they come in a range of different colors. We have a black pair here and a gray pair. So actually these V-TEX footwear feature a 360 breathable and fully waterproof membrane. Which is actually unbelievable that they do these two things at the same time, because generally if you have waterproof ability, then what they need to do is block the pores of the fabric so they don't absorb water. Now, as you can imagine, if we block the pores of the fabric, then you can't breathe, right? It means your feet are going to get very hot in the summer, you're going to be running around, and you say, wonderful, the water's not going to come in, I'm not going to get splashed, I can spill anything on these shoes. But gosh, is it hot because I can't breathe in them. So actually, one of the features of these V-TEX footwear, and one of the things is very special to their design and customization, is that the pores of this fabric are so small that they don't allow the water to get in, but they're just small enough to allow the air to get out. They're very much like wearing socks or slippers outside the house. Very much the style of them and the comfortability of them and the way they've been designed is they're very soft and very flexible, and they adjust to the size of your feet and the exact specifications of your feet. So you have ultimate comfort, and you have of course these extreme conditions of air, breathing and waterproof ability. The nice thing about this material is it's actually antibacterial as well. So that's antifungal, anti-odor. So in the summer months when it's extremely hot and you're running around to all places, you can be sure to not have that stinking feeling in your feet wearing the V-TEX footwear. This high top is another exclusive feature to V-TEX footwear that allows you to ensure that no matter what terrain that you're running around in, that you're protected from the outside, from the actual material seeping the liquids in, but also from the top of the shoe. So actually one of the things about this footwear is it's a very, very lightweight design. Now, you know, lightweight is comfortability, but it's also for people with back problems and posture problems. To have heavy shoes is very straining to the back and the muscles. So actually they've made an extremely lightweight design. I say very lightweight, but this is extremely lightweight. The sole of the shoe is made with a special membrane that is heat resistant up to 200 degrees Celsius. These are available to purchase on Kickstarter. The cost is between $89 and $119 depending on the style and the size that you choose. So they're very affordable. I think it's time we put them on and see how they feel and test them out. So here we are, we're wearing the V-TEX footwear, and I must say they're ultimately comfortable. This is really just like feeling like you're wearing your slippers around the house, or you're wearing some very thick socks. They're very, very lightweight, and they're almost like moon boots. Very, very light and very floaty. So I'm enjoying wearing them. But here's the crunch. Do they really repel the water? Does that nanotechnology really resist water and liquids? We're about to find out. All right, here goes nothing. Wow, I mean, that's really quite amazing. You see that the fabric looks like it's absorbing the liquid, but it really isn't. This liquid sort of just drips off. And if I take the shoe off, you'll see that my sock underneath is bone dry. There's certainly something that I'm going to be using and trying out, and certainly when I'm jogging around town, splashes, puddles, leaking of my water bottle are all an issue. And these are something of the past when I'll be wearing V-TEX shoes. So I think these are really quite an ingenious invention. I can't wait to see the other styles that they come up with. So there you have it.